going to be a quick video for the Toyan X Power. So if you don't know, it's got a 3-speed transmission, and so it's got first, second, third, and it also does have reversed and neutral, obviously. First time got it outside, still need to tune it up a little bit. We'll start it up. There's third. I've got here the body's got a bit of a lean, but we'll come past. So this is in third gear. Put it back down. Put it back down to medium. So there you go, it's changing the third. Bring that down to medium. Come back around. Got a little bit of lean. You've got to fix that. That's second, third. Take it back down to second. Turn it around. Turn it to third. Second. Hope you can hear that change in the camera. Back to second. Back down to second now. Third. Yeah, it's running a bit low on fuel. Alright, back into medium gear. That's third. And you're back down to second. So definitely not a speed then we're looking. I need to tune it out, I think. It gets going a bit, eh? Back down to second. Just tuning. Okay, what do you guys reckon? It's not a rock crawler, it's more a rock bouncer. You can definitely hear it changing there. I wouldn't mind changing the carb. And if all you guys want to know how I'm changing it, it's here. So that's kind of, when I push it this way, that's medium gear, up it's high gear. Also does have low gear as well. Does have neutral as well. And this is in first gear. As you can see, it doesn't go very fast in first gear. Not fast at all, but it's not supposed to be. Now, quick tip, I use these massive 100ml syringes. They're pretty sweet. Fill up with fuel. You put a little screw at the end. So to fill this guy up, pour this in here, lift her up. It actually works really well. And I've got 60ml in here at the moment, I think, so just do that. Happy days. Lift this kind of up a little bit so it drains in. Push back down, it's got this like a little plug. Push the plug in, and that's it, good as gold. So if you guys have not seen this, here's the car itself. FS L200A, new carburetor, and this is the 3-speed transmission here. It's got a kind of a unique system here, straight shaft directly to the clutch bell, as you can see. Now, here's the gear change mechanism down here, so that should be neutral. You have this gear down here that changes it from certain gears as well, so pretty sweet. Now if you push the button, neutral there, fuel tank, carburetor, overflow tank, as you can see here, filling up with oil, hiding away. That's about it. So start back up, we go to the first. Pretty sweet. That's in first gear. Diff Lock is on this switch just here. Now it should be locked now. If I push this switch, they are unlocked, as you can see now. This servo just here, cable operated, as you can see, and it opens and closes that front and rear diff, or sorry, the front diff. The rear is locked by default, but now if we lock it, if you want to go over these rocks, we'll try it out. I think it's this way. There we go, locked or unlocked. There we go, locked. So you saw the second and third gear passes then. Let's put it in first and let's just see how it goes here. Like I said, a lot of tuning I need to figure out, but let's see how it goes. Alright, pretty overgrown here, but let's see how it goes. Test because it's not perfect, overgrown, bottles, stuff in the way, so it's pretty good for this actually. And the front diff lock. I've got the light happening out the back. Only going slow. Brakes work well. Yeah. Does not slip as much as the other ones did as well, so that's awesome. First gear, so you don't expect much speed out of first gear. Pretty fun though. First and reverse looks really good. Oh, what's that sound? Something in the stand belt. do that again.
Run out of fuel just then. It's getting pretty low on fuel. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. You can see here just by the level of the fuel. That was pretty cool. Then we got some pretty cool footage there. The love of nitro. Oil and stuff everywhere, but there we go, looks pretty cool. Good first test, I think. What do you reckon, Zach?
Yeah.
Alright guys, like I said, interested in this, links are down below, and yeah, it's pretty fun, but hope you enjoyed it.